Hey, this is Jessica with Genuine Leads. As promised, here's your screencast. So I'm going to pretty much go over your website here. I'm going to go over command content, which is anywhere on your homepage. There's words, organic keywords, and I'm going to touch base a little bit on backlinks and citations. And I will try to give you a better understanding how you can draw in more traffic to your website here. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to touch base on is citations. Citations is anytime your business name, phone number, address is listed into another website. Then we're going to look at command content. So right now, your command content is 758. That's fairly low throughout your homepage. And Google would at least like to see roughly around 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content, okay? So we'll have to bring that up tremendously. And the second thing would be organic keywords. So I'll give you an example up here. So I typed in Finley and put in HVAC, heating, plumbing, and there's about 350 people searching for plumbing in Findlay, Ohio, 100 Findlay plumbing, heating and cooling, Findlay, about 40, commercial plumbing, 20. So this gives you a rough estimate idea for people searching for those types of keywords a month. So I went over here to Google search and I typed in plumbing Findlay, Ohio, and the first thing, I did not see you right here on the map pack section. But you typically want to try and be the top 3. And this is 30% of traffic going to your website per month. That's a huge thing, right? So this could definitely bring up a lot of revenue for you. And the next thing is organic listings down here. You typically want to be top 3 also. And this is about 70% of traffic to your website each month also. So I went ahead and looked at your top 3 competitors. We're not going to look at this one right here because this is Angie's list and you can't outrank Angie. This is considered an ad. So this right here would be your actual #1 spot, would be Jack's Heating and Cooling. So I went ahead and took you and your #1 competitor right here, and I put it in a software that I use to see why they're outranking you. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So this right here is their trust factor. They rank this 0 out of 100, and looks like they're about a 20 out of 100. And this pretty much determines how much Google trusts their website. And this is their power rating. They also rank this 0 out of 100, and right now they're a 1.9 out of 100. And they have 179 backlinks, 91 organic words, which is bringing about 246 traffic into their website per month. And a backlink, let's go back to a backlink right here. A backlink is pretty much a shout out from another company or website. Rather, this gives you exposure of power right here. So the more backlinks you have, the more powerful and the trustworthy your website is going to be. So let's go ahead and jump over to yours and look at yours. So right now you have a trust factor of 20 out of 100, a 0.4 power rating, out of 100. You have 316 backlinks, 27 organic keywords, which is bringing about 11 traffic into your website each month. So we would definitely need to boost up your command content and get up those keywords. The more keywords you have, the more you're going to rank for those keywords to bring up more, to bring in more traffic to your website. Your backlinks right here help bring up your power rating, like I said. So remember one thing though about backlinks, it's not how many backlinks you have, it's the quality of backlinks you have. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this. You can take this information and deal with it whatever way you please, or you can give me a call. I'll leave my number in the description below. And also, if you could please also give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. Have a good rest of your day, and thank you for watching this.